Alright, in order to install this Android radio system, I had to buy the following parts. I got them from Crutchfield. Once it arrives, all I have to do is make the proper connections according to the wires. Just follow the instruction, wire colors. It's simple as that. So I'll do the splicing, and after that, then I'll go ahead and install the head unit. So we're done with the connection. This is right here, the JBL interface. Right here from Crutchfield. You will get this at Crutchfield. And basically, you got here your power cables, and on the other end right here are your audio wires, which will you connect to your radio plug. These also come with the radio. Can't go wrong with these because each connector fits where it's supposed to go. This right here is for the AC connector. Now this part, I still haven't gotten to that yet. Other than that, everything else is connected. Alright, so I did all the connections. Then I covered the wires. I left power connections here just in case I have to do anything else. Other than that, we're ready to test it. Okay, so here it is installed. Haven't closed everything up yet because I'm still working on the AC. I gotta put the emergency button and the display here. Have to take it out from the old radio and put it into this new one right here. But the AC plug, it won't fit, so I gotta find a conversion or convert it myself. But in the meantime, that's basically it.